If we go to more settings, there are a number of other things that we can customize down here. One is going to be general settings. So we don't have a good icon on the top. Right now, we just have the Hostinger icon up there. It's called your Favicon. And if we say update, we can change the image to our logo. I highly recommend you change it to your logo. So I'm going to go to images. Let's upload an image. And again, I'm going to choose the white logo right here. We'll say open. And now when somebody goes to our website, the Sandshell logo is going to show up at the very top. So I'm going to select that and I'm going to save changes. I think that is very, very important that every website does that. Considering many people might not be in dark mode, I'm going to change that to the blue logo actually. So upload images, blue logo, open, select, and there we go. That's going to show up right there. Save changes. We also have the link preview image. So if somebody shares our link, it's going to show a certain image right there for the website. That's going to be something that you'll see if somebody sends it by like iMessage, for example, you'd see this right here. So let's add an image. And maybe for this, we want to have a coffee image. We're going to upload an image and maybe this one right here will be just fine. Select that. Yeah, that looks good enough. I'm going to save changes. The cookie banner, you can change anything with that. If you wanted to enable cookie banner, add some disclaimer text, and you could include www if you wanted to. Realistically, I'd never do that on websites. I'm happy to not leave it there. So I just leave that toggled off.